welcome you all. Today we are going to study a question which is why does every polygon's exterior angle sum up to 360 degrees? Okay, to understand this problem, first of all, we consider a polygon. Okay, let's say this one, and with the vertices starting from this point, let's say this is point A, this is B, C, D, E, F, G, and H. Okay, so this is an eight-sided polygon. That means uh, an octagon. Okay, so let's say you are at point A and you need to move along this complete polygon, and you have to show that the sum of all the exterior angle is up to when we sum up, that is going to be 360 degree. Okay, so first of all, let's say you are moving from point A to B, and to move from point A to B along this polygon, what you need to do, first of all, you need to turn yourself up to this exterior angle. And then now you are at point B, and while you are moving from point B to C, what you need to do, you need to bend yourself from your original path to this direction up to this angle, right? Okay, so now you are at point C, and again moving from point C to D. Okay, and again to reach point D along the polygon, what you need to do, you need to move yourself onto this angle. You need to bend yourself into up to that angle, and again from point D to E, and you need to change your path, your original path, and bend yourself along this direction. Similarly, from E to F, you need to similarly bend yourself up to this angle, and same in the same way from F to G, you need to adopt the same method, and again you bend yourself up to that angle, right? And from while you are moving from point G to H, again you have to bend yourself in this way while moving along the polygon. From point H to A, again you need to bend yourself, and now you are again at point A. So what does that mean? It means you have completed a complete rotation, or you have moved a complete revolution. So while adding up these small angles at vertices A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and H, you are now back to the point A. That means you are now at the starting point, and here you complete the complete revolution, which is of 360 degrees. So it proves that the sum of all the exterior angles of the polygon sum up to 360 degree. Okay, now here is another problem, that what will be the formula for exterior angle of a polygon. So what we know that how to calculate the interior angle of a polygon. For example, I'm raising these to understand this concept. Okay, so let's say you have a formula for finding the interior angle of a polygon, which is n minus 2 times 180 degree. Okay, from by this formula you can find out the sum of all the interior angles of a any polygon. Okay, regular polygon. Okay, so here this is an eight-sided figure. That means n is going to be 8, and it is 8 minus 2 times 180 degree. This is equals to 6 times 180 degree, which is equals to 1080 degree. This is the total uh, uh, the sum of all the interior angles. And if you want to find each interior angle, what you need to do, you need to divide this 1080 by 1080 degree by the total number of angles, which is 8. So that means this is going to be, if we divide 1080 by 8, we are going to get 135 degrees. It means the angle at each vertex, this is going to be 135 degree. So the outer angle, the exterior angle is going to be 180 degree minus 135 degree, which is 45. This is the usual way. What we want to know, we want to generate a formula the short way, so that we can easily get the outer angle, so exterior angle, sorry, of a polygon. So from the previous proof, what we came to know, that the sum of all the exterior angles, all of these exterior angles sum to 360 degree. So to find each exterior angle, what we need to do, we need to divide 360 degree by the number of sides of the polygon, so that we can get the value of each exterior angle. For example, here in this formula, here in this case, the number of sides are 8. So 360 degree dividing by 8, they are going to give us 45 degree. So that's the proof. So this is the formula, that is to find, to find the exterior angle of any polygon. What you need to do, you need to divide 360 degree by the number of sides, the total number of sides of that polygon. For example, you have a hexagon which have 6 sides. So what is going to be the exterior angle of hexagon? That is going to be 360 degree dividing by 6, which is equals to 60 degree. So each exterior angle of hexagon is 60 degree, and the sum of all the exterior angle is going to be 360 degrees. Similarly, you have a quadrilateral, a square, or a rectangle. So that has 4 sides. So that means the sum of each exterior angle is going to be 360 degree dividing by 4, which is equals to 90 degree, a right angle. And we know that in case of quadrilateral, let's say square, rectangle, or rectangle, every time we get a 90 degree as the exterior angle of the mm, polygon, that quadrilateral. Okay, that's all. Thank you.